Hi, thank you for stopping by. My name's Vicki, and today I'm going to be sharing my May Base Box Boxycharm with you. Got it a couple of days ago, and for someone that might be new, to Boxycharm, this is a monthly subscription box. Now there's three options. You can go with the base box like I have. That's $25 per month, and you receive 5 items. You're able to customize one of those items, and then on average is about $175. The value of the box supposed to be that much. And then the next box is premium. Now that box, you receive 6 items at a monthly cost of $35 per month, and the average value for that box is $215. And then the third box is a Luxe box. If you have the base subscription, you're able to upgrade to Luxe. That comes out quarterly, so that's March, let's see here, June, September, and December. And on the months that you receive Luxe, if you're a base subscriber, you won't receive the base. If you're upgraded, you'll just receive the Luxe, and that's $49.99 for those months. And that is 8+ items. It's kind of like a beauty/lifestyle box, so a nice variety. Again, welcome to my channel, and please share and subscribe. Appreciate it so much. But now let's get into the box. Now this month, here's the card that it was in my little box, and it's Flourish. The theme for this month is Flourish. Spring, early summer, pretty card. And yeah, let's get into it. So let's see who's up first on the list here. Oh, this is Murad, and I will confess I did cheat a little bit. I've been using this for a couple of nights, and so far so good. This is a very good brand. Murad has excellent skincare, and I chose, this was actually my choice item for this month. I was so happy that it was an option. You guys have no idea, because Murad, it's a premium skincare brand. So I have the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And so let's open this up. Nice packaging. And what's kind of nice about this, a lot of times the moisturizers, you have to squeeze them out, but this one's kind of like a pump. Like you kind of, okay, there, I'm wasting product, but I don't know if you can see that. You just kind of press it down, and then the moisturizer comes out. I'm rubbing some on my hand here. It's nice and smooth, and let's see what the card says here about this. Okay, let's see here, my vision. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. And another thing that's nice about this moisturizer is that it's light, even though I guess it's supposed to be for nighttime, but it's not very, very heavy. It also says it will protect you or help protect your skin from the blue light from electronic devices. We're all on our smartphones now these days, or something like that, or tablets. And yeah, this protects your skin barrier while you sleep. Now the retail on this is $74, and again, that's Murad. Again, that was my choice item. And environmental shield says here on the packaging, so I'm glad I got that. Let's see what I have here next. Now this is KABFLOURISH. Let me hold the box up here. This way. KABFLOURISH, and I believe it stands for Kim, Ariel, and Brio. Kim Z from Housewives of Atlanta, or Don't Be Tardy for the Party Kim. This is her brand, cosmetics, and this is the Day and Night eyeshadow palette. And let me open it up for everyone here. Nice mirror, and look at the pretty colors, really nice. And I should have had some Q-tips here so I can, but I'll just use my fingers. Excuse me, y'all. Let's see here. I won't swatch them all. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it looks like it's a total of 18 colors here. And what's nice, you have some shimmery shades. You have some, you know, mattes, you know, if you want more, you know, toned down, not so sparkly. But I'm going to swatch, let's see. Let me try this burgundy. I love sparkles. So let's see. That is burgundy. Let me put a little bit more on. And let's see here. Here's something called Twinkle Twinkle. That's this shade here, Twinkle Twinkle. And that was the burgundy that I swatched just a little bit earlier. So and that's Twinkle Twinkle. And let me try a, ooh, look at this color here, Midnight. Ah, that looks pretty. Try that. Try a different finger though. So here is Midnight that I'm putting on. Let me put some more on. Ooh, should have worn that today. Okay, and let me try kind of like one of the mattes. Let's see here. I think I'll try Burnt Orange. That's this shade here. And let me grab my pinky for this little fella. Okay. Ooh. There's that burnt orange. Wow. Can you guys see that? So right off the bat, I think I'm going to enjoy the palette. It's a nice variety of colors. Some of my favorite colors. Let me hold it up again for you. Purples, pinks, and I do like neutrals too. So I'm excited to try. Again, this is KAB Cosmetics. And let's see what the card here says. KAB's Cosmetic. Okay, this palette is a new formula and it's sustainable packaging. Okay, 18 highly pigmented shades. I would agree with that for sure. To create looks for both day and night. So true. And let's see here. All right. You can build bolder looks with the darker shades. You know, more intense nighttime look or something a more daytime look. So this is $52, and again, that's KAB Cosmetics. Kim with from Housewives, and her show was on I think it's Don't Be Tardy for the Party. I know she had that song, so that I could speak on for sure. So that's KAB Cosmetics. So let's see what else we have in the box. Now this is Drybar. Drybar, I believe the company was started out in California years ago, but now it's a chain of blowout bars. I know they're pretty much in all the major cities. And this is their hot toddy, and it's a protectant before maybe flat ironing your hair, you know, maybe blowing it out. And it's a heat protectant basically. And let me just, let's see, what does it smell like? Kind of reminds me of cotton candy, to tell you the truth, but it smells really good. I'm sure it'll be fine. Drybar, normally all of their products are really good, and I can't imagine this being any different. I had read some reviews online about it, and they were pretty good reviews. So I'm glad it was in my box. And let's see what it says here. Drybar Hot Toddy. Now that is, let's see here. Let me look on my cheat sheet. Okay, $27. And again, it is lightweight spray, protects dry hair from heat, styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons. Okay, that's good. And it looks like it says up to 450. Okay, that is really good. Again, that's $27, and that's Hot Toddy, a Drybar. Okay, let's see what else I have. Okay, this is a lip gloss. Okay, the company's called Mellow. Kind of cute packaging here. Let me bring it in so you guys can see. And what is this? Mellow. Okay. Here's the color that I received. I'll put some on. Not that I don't have enough gloss, but it's kind of like a pinky color, light pink. Nice and creamy. Let's see what it says here. Mellow cosmetic. Okay, get ready to spruce up your lips. It's ultra glossy, non-sticky. Okay, that's true. Formula. It has vitamin E, avocado oil. Ooh. Okay. All right. And I guess this shade is called St. Tropics or St. Topaz. Okay. And it's $18. And it's cruelty-free, vegan-free, and it's paraben-free. So that's kind of nice. Let me put a little bit more on. You can never have too much lip gloss. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna like this. So again, that's Mellow. And let me show you the pretty packaging. I actually like the font on the I guess the container. I think it's really fun. Pretty. Make sure you guys can see that. So again, that is Mellow Cosmetics lip gloss. And my last little item, last but not least, save the best for last. This is Lavish Essential Eye Collection. And let me take them out of the packaging. Whoops. How many brushes do I have here? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just 5 brushes. So it's like a little shader. That one, and then we have another little brush, and this one. Let's see. Eyebrows. And this little guy. So let's see what they feel like. All right. We can always use a brush, more brushes, never run out of those. Now, let's see here, Lavish. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted, vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. Retailing that is $30 for this. And they're new to Boxycharm. They're new. Kim's eyeshadow is new. And let's see if there's anything else that's new. Okay, so let's see. We have the Murad, the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. That's $74. KABFLOURISH Cosmetics, that the beautiful Day and Night eyeshadow palette. That's $52. Then we have the brushes, Lavish Essential Eye Collection. It's $30. And then we have Drybar Hot Toddy, the Heat Protectant Spray. That came in at $27. And then Mellow, the lip gloss, which I like, that came in at $18. So let me see here. Let me do some funny math. Okay. So that looks like a total of $201. Okay. So that wasn't bad at all. Like I said, I pretty much like everything in the box. Like I said, you could always use more brushes. I think I'm going to really like Kim's eyeshadow palette. The Murad, I love. The lip gloss. So this, for me, I'm happy with my May box. I'm looking forward to next month, but I'm really happy with it. I think I'm going to use everything for sure. So that's pretty much it for May. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you could share and like, subscribe, the usual. So much appreciated. And again, thank you. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. It's hard to believe it's almost the end of May. This is holiday week or going into holiday week. So hope everyone stays safe. And I hope I'll see you next month. Again, thank you so much. Take care now. Bye.